Dear students, good morning. We are reading mathematics and today's our topic is even and odd numbers. What do you mean by even numbers? Even numbers is all numbers with the digits 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 in the ones place are called even numbers. Either we can say the number which is completely divided by 2 is called even number. So here we have example 12. 12. 2 is on ones place. So 12 is even number. 34. 4 is on ones place, so 34 is even number and it is also divided by 2. 56. 6 is on ones place and it is completely divided by 2. 50. 0 is on ones place and it is also completely divided by 2. 132. 2 is on ones place and it is also divided by 2. Now you have learnt about even numbers and after this we talk about odd numbers. Odd numbers. Odd numbers is all the numbers with the digit 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 in the ones place are called odd numbers. Either we can say the number which is not completely divided by 2 is called odd numbers. So here we have example and we have to check only last digit of numbers or the ones place of the number. Example 15. Tens ones. In 15, 5 is on ones place and it is not completely divided by 2. 27. In 27, 7 is on ones place and it is also not completely divided by 2. 113. Ones, tens, 100. 3 is on ones place and it is not completely divided by 3. 1325. 5 is on ones place and it is not completely divided by 2. So these are odd numbers. Now you have learned about odd numbers. After this we will solve some exercise of this topic. Let's start. Write all the odd numbers between 40 to 60. We have to write odd numbers between 40 to 60. Now I again repeat definition of odd numbers. All the numbers with the digit 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 in the ones place are called even numbers. Now start with 40. 40's ones place number is 0. So it is not odd number. So we write 41. In 41, 1 is on ones place. So it is odd number. 43, 45, 47, 49, 51, 53, 55, 57 and 59. It is all the numbers are odd numbers and its ones place is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and it is not completely divided by 2. Now next example. Write all the even numbers between 101 to 135. We have to write even numbers between 101 to 135. I again repeat the definition of even numbers. Even numbers is all the numbers with the digit 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 in the ones place are called even number. And the number which is completely divided by 2 is called even number. So let's start with 101. In 101, 1 is on ones place. So it is not even number. And next 102, 2 is on ones place. It is even number and it is completely divided by 2. 104, 106, 108, 110, 112, 114, 116, 118, 120, 122, 124, 126, 128, 130, 132 and 134. It is all the numbers are even numbers because its ones place is 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 and 0. And it's all the numbers are divided by 2. Now we solve next exercise. Are the following numbers odd or even? Now you have to find out that these numbers are odd numbers or even numbers. Let's start. 79, 131, 157, 223. Now in these numbers, ones place is 1, 3, 7 and 9 and these all are not completely divided by 2. So all the numbers are odd numbers. Next, 226, 572, 994 and 64. In all the numbers, ones place is 4, 2 and 6. So these numbers are even numbers and all the numbers are divided by 2. So these numbers are even numbers. Next, 1774, 230, 556 and 22. In these numbers, on ones place number is 2, 6, 0, 4. So these numbers are even numbers and these all the numbers are divided by 2. So these are even numbers. Next, 57, 29, 31, 535. In these numbers, on ones place number is 1, 5, 9, 7. So these numbers are odd numbers and these are not completely divided by 2. So these are odd numbers. After solving this exercise, you have completely learnt about even and odd numbers and today's our topic is completed and I will meet you soon with next video. Thank you.